Hi guys, that's Kitty1 and today we're going to see the updates. Wait. Okay, I'm back and now I'm going to open my gift. Oops, need this one diamond. What are these vacuum for? What? Okay, eagles are here. Cool. Story because of that, because my sister's sick and she has social, and now she feels the same because she doesn't want to show her voice. And so yeah, now ooh, pet tigers. Stop chewing that. Pet tigers have returned to Pet tigers have returned to Jama. This is adorable. They love to explore and have fun, and they are waiting to be adopted at the diamond shop. Okay. Remember Jamas, because the new eagles can fly, they can reach areas of Jama that have never been explored. What fun places and secrets will we find? I have no idea. Super eagle is Jama, blah 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 blah. And Coral Canyons and had to see challenge. JQ is always working on Jama chat system, so you can have fun with Jammers and stay safe for Jammers and feedback coming from Animal Jam. Thank you. Please, I want back. I want to do the smiley and all that. Okay, here's a diamond gift certificate. Have arrived. Just awesome gift certificates in both 10 and 25 diamonds amounts, and they are available only at Animal Jam Outfitters. And if that wasn't great enough, all 6 and 12 months membership now come with tons of bonus diamonds. Okay. Be sure to stop by the conservation and blah 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 blah.
She's trying to make people annoying.
Have you seen all the cool items that have come to Diamond Shop? And keep an eye out for lucky items that will be coming to the shop. Okay. If we do that too, listen. And if I got 10 diamonds, I don't know. I want to buy a cheetah. No, not a cheetah. I mean an eagle. What's this?
Thank you so much. Now that's so easy.
Couldn't fit anything back, you know.
That easy.
Okay, now I have no idea how to get back out of here. Okay, so now I've got to reload the page, so be right back. Okay, I'm back. And now what we're going to do is we're going to check the thingy that I was about to read. Blah blah blah. I should have read this. Okay, now let's go to the diamond shop. Wait, I have no idea how many diamonds do I got. Dun dun dun. Let's see if I can buy anything. I want to buy an eagle if I could. What? What are these random people doing here? This doesn't work. Wait up, I'm going to be right back. Okay, now I'm back, and here are the items that the eagle. Cool. Now I wonder what were the items. Ooh, Sleepy Eagle. The dragon glove was back. What? All these items are back, and it's for non-member. What? Okay. This will be totally weird. Okay, so that means I can buy all these items. What? The dragon glove is back. This is so no. Yes. What? The hot cocoa machine is back?
That's the best thing in the world.
I've been asking for this for many times, and it's back, and now I have no use getting all these items back. I'm gonna buy it soon. Wanna buy it?
Hot cocoa machine. I just so smiley. Look at it.
It's driving, wasting my.
Please don't say no.
Okay, I'm gonna help them.
I will to buy it. No matter what. If I need to kill people, then I get it. I'll surely do that.
Oh God. This
I
is
really
amazing.
care
I
about
can't
stuff.
believe you're showing us item AJ. Thank you. So now I can do my video easily with all those items, and now I know how to edit the videos. I used to have no idea how to edit it. And now I must go be right back, cause soon enough this laptop will die. Okay, I'm back. And now I haven't seen her for a long, long time. I'm not Hannah. I've forgotten my name. Read up. Yep, she forgotten my name. I hope she remembers it. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Yes, she hasn't seen me for 3 weeks. Miley. Seriously, Wrecking Mom. I know we got a top hat.
Wait, okay, come.
Yeah.
Is this smoothie again?
No.
It's smoothie. What? No.
Ah. Okay, I'm back, and now I'm gonna end the video. Thank you. She's trying to make a video for me. Sorry, that was my TV, if you can hear. It's so noisy. terrible wolf. Okay. So. There's so many people here, especially Arctic. So, bye guys. See you in another video. Bye.